It's me, Rezwan Aslam Dulon, in front of you. Right now, I'm going to talk about English therapy learning environment. Why I came here, why a lot of students came here, and why a lot of students will be come here. Why? Because there is a reason is English therapy learning environment. Many coaching centers are available, but they cannot provide this environment. If you ask me, what have I seen here? I see a lot of things. If I say, is a first of all environment. English therapy provide us environment, dormitory. Not only, but also is there every dormitory has one teacher. This teacher, not like as a teacher, you also our mentor, teacher, you also our friend. If we have face any kind of problem, that time they help us. Please help us. That's the matter. If I say English therapy make me perfect, what's my progress? English therapy not only provide us environment, but also give us lot of valuable thing. If I say it's me, before time I couldn't make any kind of sense, but right now I'm capable. How? Is there a lot of students are capable in English, but they are not capable like in front of talking. English therapy make me perfect is this time because English therapy teacher are always push me. Yes, keep it up, keep going. And finally, I break my own limits and rediscover myself. It could be helpful for me. It's my achievement. Whenever I came here, first of all, I thought, what is my result? What is my number? If I if I won't get first position, what what type of talk about me in front of people, in front of my classmates, roommates, and so many things. But English therapy taught me no need to worry any kind of negative thinking, no need to worry in future, no need to worry in past. Only for you, live in present. That's the matter. And after that, I feel very energetic. Um, I feel very good. After that, I discover myself, my own self. Is the matter, is the power of environment. There make sure nobody can speak Bengali. We stay Bangladesh, yes, also we stay Bangladesh, but our environment look like we are foreigner. We stay America, we stay London. They all are a dormitory name like New Jersey, California, London. Why? Because they realized us. You not stay Bangladesh, you stay America. So you bound to talk in English, not Bengali. That's the matter. That's the power of environment. I say again, English therapy make me perfect. And Alhamdulillah, I'm satisfied for English therapy, this journey. Thank you so much for your listening.